Now process 2. So in process 2, again it will have 6 columns: particulars, cost per unit, total cost, particulars, cost per unit, and total cost.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now in process 1, we got the output. How much? 4,700. And cost per unit is 23.5 rupees.
Yes.
So now from process 1, we will transfer to process 2. So it will come in the debit side as to output transferred from process 1.
Okay.
Okay, so first will come what? Output transferred from process 1. It should be debited.
Okay.
Now for process 2, we have to see all the expenses. Now process 2, direct material rupees 400.
Okay.
So it should be debited to direct materials rupees 400.
Okay.
And we have to find out the cost per unit.
Okay.
So what will be the cost per unit?
Again divided by 400.
And the production 400 should be divided by 200.
Yes.
Because production during the period was 200
units.
So total cost how much it is? 400 divided by 200 units. So we will be getting what? Cost per unit. So rupees 2. Now next, direct wages for process 2 is 800. So 2 direct wages, how much? 800. Or to find out the cost per unit, how? 800 divided by 200. So it comes rupees 4. So cost per unit rupees 4. Next expenses, direct expenses for process 2 is 400. So its expense, it should be debited to direct expenses. How much? 400. And how to find out the cost per unit? 400 divided by 200. So it comes rupees 2. So direct expenses, cost per unit rupees 2. Next again, the production overheads were rupees 3,200 and it should be recovered at 200% of direct wages. So in process 2, how much is the direct wages? 400. How much? Direct wages 400. So we have to find out 200% of 200. 800. 200% of direct wages. So direct wages is 800. So we have to find out 200% of 800. So 800 is 200%. So it comes 1,600.
600. Yes.
So 2 production overheads 1,600. And what will be the cost
600
per unit?
1,600 divided by 200.
By 200.
200.
So it comes rupees 8.
8.
So 2 production overheads cost per unit 8 rupees and total cost 1,600. So now we have to find out the total cost per unit. So first it is 23.5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. How much? 39 rupees.
39 rupees 5 paisa.
Yes,
50 paisa.
Then we have to find out the total cost of total cost. So 4,700 plus 400 plus 800 plus 400 plus 1,600. So total cost comes 7,900. Now debit side total is 7,900. So credit side total comes 7,900. And cost per unit is 39.5. So cost per unit will be 39.5, and this will
5%.
be
Sorry,
this will be the
39.5.
output transferred to the process 3.
3.
Yes.
Hmm.
Output transferred to the process 3. Next process it means.
3. Yes.
Now this is process 3. So first comes output to output transferred from process 2. Okay, means the output of process 2 will be the input of process 3.
3.
Yes. So to output transferred from process 2, this will be the input of process 3. So first it should be debited in process 3 account.
Yes.
So cost per unit is 39.5, total cost 7,900. Now for expenses for our process 3, direct material 600. So to direct material 600. Then what will be the cost per unit? 600.
600 divided by 200.
Divided by 200.
200.
So it's how much? 3 rupees.
Okay.
Then next, direct wages, how much? 400. So 2 direct wages, total cost 400. So what will be the cost per unit? 400 divided by 2. So it will come
200.
how much? Rupees 2.
2.
Next, direct expenses, how much? 100. So direct expenses debited, how much? 100. So cost per unit will be 100 divided by 200.
200.
How much? 50 paise it means.
Yes.
So cost, direct expenses, cost per unit is 0.5. Next, again production overheads 3,200, and it has to be recovered at 200% of direct wages. So in process 3, direct wages how much? 400. Okay, direct wages is 400. So what will be the production overheads? 400 multiplied with 200 percentage.
Okay.
Because 200% of direct wages.
Okay.
So it comes how much? 800. So to production overheads 800, and what will be the cost per unit? 800 again divided by 200. So it comes rupees 4. So now again we have to find out the total of debit side. First, cost per unit. So 39.
Okay, this I understood. How you can take the total.
Okay.
Fine.
So total is how much? It's coming 49. Total cost, it's coming 9,800. So
800.
yes. So balancing figure will be same, 49 cost per unit and total cost 9,800. So this will be what? This will be the finished stock.
Okay.
So because after this is the last process, so the output of last process will be treated as finished stock. So by output transfer to finished stock. Okay.